Natalie, I didn't sign up for this now. Oh, Natalie. Getting Nathaniel up off me. It's Natalie only, man. Stop. Nathaniel, just, Natalie, get it just not like this. If I had claws, I'd rip your lips to shreds. Oh, Natalie, how can you record this, Natalie? Natalie, not like this. He's a boy. All right, Patrick, you got the camera on nice and tight. All right, I'm gonna do my eagle scream. Woo! Let's go, baby. Let's go. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about, baby. This is how you live your life, baby. I live this life every day, man. You humans can only dream of a life like this, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got to pay overpriced prices for no airline ticket, man. This is me organically. Flying, man. Flying is freedom. That's why I'm the symbol for America, man. Flying is all about freedom, baby. Woo! Yeah, baby. Everything's so small. Everything is smaller than me right now. Everything is smaller than me right now, man. That's how I live my life, man. I feel every breeze on my bald head, man. Let's go. Damn it, the tool. All right, I'll go in the cabinet. Is that what you wanted? The tool again. All right, I'll go in here, man. Just take it easy, okay? Damn it, the tool. All right, I'm in the bag. Is that what you wanted? Damn it, the tool. All right, I'm in this little makeshift house, okay? Blast the tool. All right, I'm in the backpack with the look back, okay? Blasted all the tool. Now, you know I can't fit all the way in here, but I'll just try my best. Is this what you wanted? Curses the tool once again. All right, is this what you want from me, huh? You happy now? Come on, Mom said if we don't come straight home today, we can't go skating this weekend. Come on, Kiana, hurry up. I'm trying to go skating. Stop playing. Come on. Stop. Come on.
At the San Diego Yacht and Boat Show. Good morning, everybody. I'm hanging out with my friend John. Fox 5 Morning News starts. Look over there.
And it starts right now.
Always be your best self. Oh, we getting it how we live. Oh, you can do anything in life if you just put your mind to. Oh, we just getting started out here. We out here living lavishly, baby. You only live once. Never be afraid to put your best foot forward. Now, as you look at the tape, man, I was all set to go, man. I was waiting for my turn on that mic. I was going to hit y'all with something positive and uplifting. And then I had my thrusters pumping and I was ready to go, man. I was just about to lift off into the heavens on y'all, man. I was waiting for him to just give me that mic. I said my little piece and I just took off, but the water was like, nah, come on down here. And I just dipped in the water, cuz. Man, Barry, just get up out my face, man. Just get up out of here, man. Just stop, man. Just stop. Stop, man. Just come on. Just let me up out the bathroom, Barry. It smells sick of this, man. Just stop. Come on somewhere, man. Just come on, man. I'm just trying to live my life and get up out this bathroom, man. Just trying to mind my own business, trying to make ends meet. Just get out of here. Why don't you go ahead, the human we live with, go take you for a walk and they can pick up your dump by hand, man. I'm sick of this, man. I'm out of here. Oh, we got a good stuff here, baby. Woo! Okay. Woo! Woo! Hey, right here is where I had to get him. He stepped outside the pocket. Woo! Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. You can't get past me. My defense is epic, right? All right, you got past me on that one. But let's go. Let's run it again. Let's run it again, man. I'm about to be the dopest emo on the basketball court as soon as I get some arms, man. All right, let's go. All right, bring it. Well, I don't mind if I do now. Oh, come on. Just let me get my beard in on this fish. Just come on now. Just stop. Let me get my beard in on this fish. Let me get my paw wet on this. No, hit me. Just let me get my little beard in on this fish. Let me just get a fraction of the fish. Come on now. Go on somewhere now, playboy. Go on somewhere now. I ain't the one. Go on. Just get on out of here, because I ain't. Go on, man. I'm not the one you need to be messing with. I'm not your typical rodent, playboy. You thought you was just going to leisurely fly down here and scoop me up like a little field mouse, huh? Well, you about to leisurely catch these paws. You feel me? I'm a jackrabbit. That means I'm jacking fools up when they try to scoop me up with their talons for a little afternoon delight, man. You're going to get this afternoon sock up. That's what you're going to get, man. Afternoon in your eyesight. I got paws for each of your eyeballs, man. You don't want none of this, man. I'm not the one you're going to be scooping up. To scoop up this defeat trying to get me, man. You're going to scoop up an ass whooping. That's what you about to scoop up. Saul, I don't want him on me. I don't want him on me, Saul. Sir, don't get on me. Sir, don't get on me. Look how long it's taking him, Saul. If he knew how to ride a horse, it wouldn't take him this long, man. I don't want him on me. All right, I told you, just get off me, man. I told you, get off me, man. Hoit. I told you. Don't get on me, sir. Did I not just say that? Saul, you set him up for the fail. He doesn't know what he's doing. Anybody that takes this long to get on the horse doesn't need to be riding one, man. What is this? This is not a class. I'm not a class training horse. You need to know how to ride me off top. Yeah, you're embarrassed now, right? You're embarrassed as a man. You got your hands on your hips because you're embarrassed. You don't know what to do with yourself. Y'all laughing, having a good time. Well, I'm not having a good time, man. And I got more kicks where that came from, too. I got more kicks where that came from. And I'll break your face. I told y'all, man, don't play with me, man. I'm sick of this. Stop riding me if you don't know what you're doing, man. All right? Oh, Cobra, huh? You know what? I'm sick of y'all, man. You out here scaring everybody, got everybody scared of y'all. Ain't nobody scared of you no more, man. Just eating whatever you want. Sick of y'all, man. You ain't nothing. Tired of y'all out here just scaring folks.